All right, we're looking at the Unit 21 grammar notes, which are on pages 362 to 364. Connectors, or often called discourse connectors, are words and phrases that connect ideas both within sentences and between sentences or larger blocks of text. And we can look at the teacher's chart of connecting words, that's the URL, and perhaps we should stop and go over exactly how you access that from Moodle. On your Moodle site, you go down and you find at the top here quick grammar review handouts. That opens up Advanced Grammar Laney, which is a different website. And go to quick grammar review handouts to number 4. So that's what we're going to be talking about. There are 3 types of connectors. There are coordinating conjunctions, and here's an example. I try hard, comma, but I can never remember people's new names. You have 2 sentences, the coordinating conjunction with a comma before it. There are subordinating conjunctions, also called subordinators, or adverbial expressions. I can't remember her name, although I can remember her face. Here you have it in the middle of the sentence with no comma. Here there's a comma, here there's not. The punctuation rule is different. Then we have a group of words we call transitions, or logical connectors, or sentence adverbs. And here's an example. I spent a lot of money on a memory improvement course. However, it was a waste of money. And remember how this however can move around in the sentence. I can say it was a waste of money, comma, however. Or I can say it was, comma, however, comma, a waste of money. The coordinating conjunctions join 2 independent clauses. Coordinating conjunctions come between clauses and are normally preceded by a comma. I often forget things, comma, so I write everything down. Got sentence, sentence, conjunction with a comma before it. I heard what you said, but what did you mean? Sentence, complete question, conjunction with a comma before it. Winters in California can be cold and windy, comma, and there is sometimes a lot of rain. 2 complete sentences, conjunction, comma before the conjunction. I need to take a vacation, or I will tell my boss I'm going to quit. Sentence, sentence, conjunction, comma before the conjunction. There are only 7 coordinating conjunctions. They are sometimes called fanboys. Here they are: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Subordinating conjunctions connect ideas within sentences. They come at the beginning of a subordinate or dependent clause. This kind of clause is also called an adverb clause. If the subordinate clause comes first in a sentence, it is followed by a comma. If the subordinate clause follows the independent clause, it is not usually preceded by a comma. Because I often forget things, comma, I write everything down. But if I put it in the middle, there's no comma. I write everything down because I often forget things. Although I heard what you said, comma, I don't know what you mean. In the middle, there's no comma. I don't know what you mean, although I heard what you said. If I can't get a vacation, comma, I will tell my boss that I'm going to quit. And here it is in the middle with no comma. I will tell my boss that I'm going to quit if I can't get a vacation. Although there are only 7 coordinating conjunctions, there are many subordinating conjunctions. Let's go back and look at the chart. Here are all the adverbial expressions. Okay, also subordinating conjunctions or subordinators, all the same meaning. Okay, and here is a long list of them. Although, though, even though, while, in spite of the fact that, so that, in order that, because and since, if, even if, unless, as long as, provided that, when, whenever, before, after, since, as, while, until, as if, as though, where, wherever. There are probably more, but for now, those are the ones we use the most.